JimBot. For the best experience, I recommend you check out the instructions first. When you're ready to work out, please choose Use JimBot from the menu. Hello. Before we get started, I need to know what equipment you have. Please choose from the options below and click Continue. Okay. Which area would you like to train today? Please choose one of the options below. Here's a chest workout for you. Barbell bench press. Dumbbell bench press. Dumbbell flies. You can see more about each exercise by selecting them from the list. When you're ready to work out, please select Start Workout. Okay, let's go. You have 10 minutes to do 3 sets of 10 reps, then we'll move on to the next exercise. You can go at your own pace, or move on to the next exercise if you finish early. If you want to pause the stopwatch to check how to do the exercise, use the Workout List button. Remember, form is more important than speed, but try to finish the exercise before the time runs out. Great, let's carry on with this exercise. Nicely done. Let's move on to the next exercise. Let's go. This is the last exercise. Make sure to finish strongly, you can do it. Well done. Thanks for using JimBot. If you would like another workout, please reset JimBot below. Well done. Thanks for using JimBot. If you would like another workout, please reset JimBot below. Hello. Before we get started, hello. My name is JimBot. For the best experience,